Boost retention with customer journey visualization. Visualizing the customer journey can increase retention by up to 15% in just 6 months. Companies that understand their customer pathways gain powerful insights that improve user experience, increase conversions, and identify bottlenecks. Mapping the customer journey helps align departments and presents a unified view of how users interact with your brand. Why it matters. Customer journey maps. 1. Reveal pain points and friction in the user experience. 2. Help predict customer behavior and inform product and marketing strategies. 3. Bridge internal silos by giving everyone a customer-centered view. With 80% of companies now competing primarily on customer experience, the impact is measurable. Improved experience can raise revenue by 2 to 7%. Journey visualization helps you design based on reality rather than assumptions, driving smarter decisions and better outcomes. How journey mapping improves UX and retention. Mapping identifies frustrating or confusing touchpoints, like a poor checkout experience, so they can be fixed. It also ensures a consistent experience across all channels, which builds trust. Even small improvements in retention, 5%, can boost profits by up to 95%. By knowing what motivates your users at every step, you can personalize their experience and build lasting loyalty. Set clear goals and scope. Start with focused, measurable goals using the SMART framework. For example, 1. Increase retention by 15% in 6 months. 2. Reduce onboarding time by 50% by Q4. Target 1 customer segment per map. Use personas built from real data, not assumptions. Define whether your map covers the full customer lifecycle or a specific stage. A focused scope delivers clearer insights and better results. Build accurate personas. Personas are fictional characters based on real customer data, including goals, pain points, and behaviors. Use 1. Interviews and surveys. 2. Website analytics and heat maps. 3. Support tickets and CRM data. Effective personas include emotional drivers, not just demographics. Knowing what your customer feels at each touchpoint helps you create more relevant and satisfying experiences. Map touchpoints, emotions, and decisions. Track key interactions across 1. Pre-purchase, ads, blogs, reviews. 2. Purchase, checkout, sales reps. 3. Post-purchase, support, follow-ups. Layer in emotions to understand where frustration or delight happens. Look for drop-off points and decision-making moments, and use data, like rage clicks or navigation loops, to pinpoint where users leave or get stuck. Use tools and data to validate. Combine analytics, Google Analytics, UXCam, with behavior tracking, session recordings, heat maps, to validate assumptions. Use both quantitative data and qualitative feedback to create a full picture. For example, 1. Surveys reveal customer sentiment. 2. Analytics show where users drop off. 3. Recordings expose friction in real time. Collaborate across teams. Journey mapping works best when teams work together, include support, marketing, product, and design. Run mapping workshops and align on shared goals and KPIs. This ensures that your journey map becomes a tool for action, not just documentation. Conclusion. Customer journey visualization is both a creative and analytical discipline. When done right, it leads to measurable improvements in customer satisfaction, loyalty, and revenue. Make it a regular practice. Review and update your maps quarterly to stay aligned with evolving customer needs.